All right, now that we've done some isometric strengthening and a little light stretching with your chin tucks and your posture, you should have your posture down by now. If you're looking at this video, you should be standing there with a nice perfect alignment, ears over shoulders, over hips, etc. Now we're going to start getting your neck moving again, the way it's supposed to move. Now the neck moves in several positions. It has many degrees of freedom. We're going to start with straight motions, which are simply chins down and looking up, like so. Teresa is maintaining that good posture as she moves through this. She's going forward and backward slowly. You can give yourself a little extra push or pressure at the end of each range, but this shouldn't be too painful. At first you won't move very much, but in those areas where there's pain, you do have to push it a little bit. I don't mind, just like in your low back, I don't mind pain in the neck. I don't like pain in the arm. So if things start to radiate or you get a lot of tingling and numbness in your fingertips, you need to back off the motion. But if it's just pain in your neck, you need to push through it a little bit. So we've done forward and backward. Now we're just going to do side to side. Ear to shoulder. Ear to shoulder. Please don't forget your posture. You can't let your head falter when you're doing this or you're going to correct things in a bad position. But as she's going side to side, notice she's not trying to bring her shoulder to her ear. I'm trying to get her to bring her ear to her shoulder. So make sure that you're not doing that little cheat move. Then after doing this several times, and my numbers are anywhere from 10 to 15 depending on your tolerance, then we work on rotation. Rotation left and rotation right. Perfect. Making sure that the chest doesn't rotate, because it's easy to fool yourself that you're rotating and your whole body goes with it. Make sure it's just your neck you're isolating. And after you've completed these repetitions, I want you to work on a full neck circle all around the world. Go clockwise and counterclockwise. Again, everything is quality over quantity. You're going to want to know, what number should I be doing? It's very specific for every person. I've seen some people be fine with 10 because they do them great, they do them slowly, and they get a good stretch out of it. And I've seen some do 20 and 30, but because they didn't focus, they didn't do it very well. So make sure that you're challenging yourself. These shouldn't feel very comfortable when you're into the spots of your neck that are very sore. So don't be afraid to push yourself, because this next exercise will take you to the next level. And it's one I call the rotation and nod, okay? In this position, shoulders back and down, posture, there I am, harping on posture again. You are going to rotate as far as you can to one side. Now once she hits that end range of motion, she's going to continue to keep that pressure, but she's going to look down and look up as far as she can. Down and up. What's happening here is you're taking all the spinal joints and you're getting them to their end range of motion, and then you're using the nod to force open the very stuck joints. So this one's going to be the most uncomfortable. You're going to hear some popping, some crackling, some noise. That's all good and normal. It doesn't worry me at all. What worries me is, again, increases in arm pain or bad posture. You want to do about 3 to 5 nods on one side, rotate and do 3 to 5 nods on the other side, and repeat it 3 to 5 times total. Now you may notice that as you nod, you are going a little further each time you nod. That's the goal. Make sure you're always pushing that motion as you go up and down. Push it as far as you can. Very good. And that's all there is to it.